Well, I'm on here at Fort Peck again with my friend Jimmy, and James's daughter, Nikki. So we're just out here checking flags. Caught a little pike last night. Didn't have too many flags this morning, but we just had a flag here, but I bet you it's just my minnow tripped this thing. So we'll try to do a little video on today. Hopefully we'll get into some fish. It's been kind of slow, but a lot colder than we thought it would be last night, which is good. Keeps the ice going. So we got Tex there guarding the minnows. James and his daughter Nikki. Sun's coming up. Jimmy's in the tent staying warm. We're just waiting for flags. Well, that's too bad, guys. I just missed that one. Every time I do that, I think it's got to be operator error. I try to set the hook, and I probably should just let them try to set the hook themselves, because he was taking line. But who knows? Keeps your wheels spinning in your brain what you could do different next time. But still pretty slow this morning, but I've had 2 flags pop. So here's one we caught yesterday. Pretty nice fish. Got him in the shallows, about 11 feet of water. So this is a major mistake. See that tip up sitting there? It's been sitting there all night with me thinking it was set, just because the way I laid it. What an idiot. Live and learn. Doesn't do much for my odds. So we'll get that reset and bait it up. This tip up forgot to memo that we were supposed to be fishing. It's frustrating, but you got to admit to your mistakes sometimes, and here I am, Your Honor. Pretty embarrassing. Oh well. 'Tis what it is. 'Tis what it is. We're set now. No harm, no foul that we know of. Decided I better bring my little cooker just in case I got hungry and they weren't ready to eat yet. And I wasn't hungry necessarily, I just got bored. Okay, so we got a flag up. Just cooking some hot chocolate, and thought I better peek out the window. Same hole that we got Mr. Pike at yesterday. James and his daughter just took off looking for Jimmy. He took a little ride on the four-wheeler, and we haven't seen him for a while, so hopefully he's all right. Got a spin to it. Ooh, it's a spinning. Should have had all this done already, but I didn't. Boy, he's gonna spool me if I don't watch it. Oh boy. How does he take it that much and drop it? I'm just blown away by that. There's definitely a mystery to this fishing, and I one day might figure it out, but it ain't today. Unreal. No, he still might be on. Yep, he's still on. There we go. Let's keep him. He keeps getting off. See if we can get him again. He's a persistent little guy. I think I might fish bigger hooks next time, maybe use a trailer hook. Wouldn't be surprised if I lost a minnow there. Ooh. Ooh. Really? We broke off. Or something. Yeah, we broke off. My line's all twisted around itself here. Oh, he broke me off. Well, can't cry too much about that, I guess. Luckily I've got my glasses here and we'll tie on another hook. Interesting stuff. That's 20-pound fluoro. And it was brand new on there. And I don't think the knot got me. So I think he just broke it off. Wow, this pike fishing's a different ball game. Love it. So that's the biggest minnow I got. We're gonna put him down there since these pike know that there's free food here. We'll let him swim around, and that's a big old fish. Interesting. Okay. We are fishing. Well, it looks like they found Jimmy. They're actually having to drive on land over here. It sounds like there might be some open water around that point. So I'm glad Jimmy's safe. So while I'm being bored, I'll show you my little mess kit here I brought out. This has been a good one. This is a Primus brand. Works pretty good. And then I got these, what's called a hot lips. This is just a single wall mug, but you can put these hot lips on. You don't burn yourself drinking your hot beverages. So it's kind of nice. It all packs up into a little bag. And I just brought it, like I say, because I wasn't sure when they'd want to be eating supper and stuff like that, and I didn't want to be left hanging being hungry out on the ice. So as you can tell, food's a priority with me, so we take care of that for sure. So I'll just throw that in, throw the hot lips in, and I got a spoon here that folds up. It's just a little titanium Cedar Summit spoon. It folds up nice and tight. It's the same kit I took on the Appalachian Trail. Anyways, it just packs up in that little bag. I replaced the cord there. The cord they had with it was, I thought, was junk, so I just put on some of my Mason's twine. And I like that stuff. It's tough as nails and cheap as dirt. Okay, so we got Jimmy and Nikki here. He's checking tip-ups this morning, and Nikki's got a fish again, as usual. Atta girl, good job, Nikki. Jimmy with the assist. Beautiful fish. I got your thumb, does he? Yeah, I learned the hard way. They got sharp teeth. Oh man.
What does he do?
It's part of his. Look at that.
I know.
Oh yeah, his jaw's
like
a little chewed
Part of
up.
his mouth is gone.
Weird.
That's wild, ain't it?
Last time Jimmy tried to catch you.
Yeah.
Hey,
Put him head first.
are you not even videoing me?
I've been videoing you the whole time.
Well, show me, man.
So this is an interesting technique James does. He throws a bobber in the hole with a minnow on it and leaves his bail open. And so when that bobber disappears, the fish can just run at will. And they caught one there here yesterday with that same setup. So it works pretty good. Is that herring?
Yeah,
Dead herring?
that's what was on the other one.
Okay.
We'll see. You never know. I'm gonna try to get a minnow on it here in a little bit.
Yeah. So he just has the bobber in the hole and opens the bail. About as simple as it gets. Well, we're just cleaning up tip-ups, and was the flag up?
No.
No flag up, but we got a fish in there. Has it been kicked in? The ice?
No, but I think he's off, honestly.
Uh-oh. Well, that's an end to this trip for sure. Had a slow trip.
Man, he's pulled that whole thing out though. I don't know. We're still feeling your resistance back.
Yeah. Was he taking some?
Yeah. Oh, he's here. He's on it.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, he's running. He's running. Just let him go.
Yep, just let him go.
Bite him back.
Don't burn your fingers.
I know. I was like, oh. Man, I couldn't feel him. Like, he's just kind of going with me.
He was trying to fool you. He's
Yeah. Look, here he is.
good deal.
Uh-oh. Head first. You gonna grab this thing, Jim? Just want to snap it?
There we go. Yeah, nice. Good job.
I thought he was gone.
That's funny.
He swallowed that thing.
You need the spreaders?
Yeah.
Hey, Tex. Grab these mouth spreaders here.
He's back in there a ways.
What do you think, Tex?
You can kind of see the tail of the minnow right there.
Oh, can you?
Spit it out.
Oh, man.
I know, that's what I'm like, I wonder if he'll spit it out if you grab that minnow. Oh, there's the minnow.
He's got quick reflexes getting out of that mouth.
Here, buddy. Put your back. See how easy.
Hold him up for us if you can, if he'll let you.
Oh.
Good job, Nikki. We'll call that a Fort Peck trip. Slow day, slow fishing trip, but that's a good way to end it.
He seems okay.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah?
Well, thanks for a good trip, guys. Kind of slow.
Yeah, that's a good way to end it.
3 more to check, huh? James the Optimist.